Hello friends, welcome to Mithara Kitchen. Today's recipe is quick and healthy lunchbox wrap. When you pack a lunchbox, you can control portion sizes and use much higher quality ingredients. I will share a simple wrap that you can make for yourself or your kids. This quick wrap is filled with veggies, whole grains, lean protein and healthy fat. It will keep you satisfied long after you enjoy it. Let's get started with the ingredients. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.